Maddie here with the LeatherHideStore. A very frequent question we get asked here is how durable are your leathers? Well, the answer can vary. It really just depends on what you want to see happen with your leather. If you want something that's going to look distressed and vintage over time, an aniline leather might be for you. But if you want something that's going to stay consistent and not change over time, then a pigmented leather might be for you. We're here to give you the rundown on all things durability. Stay tuned.
All of our leathers are upholstery grade, which means that they are very soft but also very durable. Our leathers are used in cars, restaurants, and even more commonly, in the home for everyone to enjoy. Because they are all durable, what it really comes down to is what do you want from your leather over time. For those who cherish a leather that retains its original look throughout its life, our pigmented leathers are the perfect match. Explore our popular options such as the exquisite Dakota collection, the timeless Urban collection, and the luxuriously soft Euro Smooth collection. While no leather is bulletproof, these leathers are very scratch resistant and hold up to daily use and high traffic applications. If you're looking for your leather to develop more of a vintage look, we have our Restoration Italia collection. This leather is mostly finished with aniline dyes instead of pigments. Dyes allow the character of the leather, natural markings and all, to show through. Most dyed leather is protected with a wax-based top coat. The wax is actually designed to distress, which creates that classic vintage look over time. The leather may even scratch, but just add a little bit of conditioner and everything blends together. Will our vintage leather last as long as our pigmented leather? Absolutely. Just keep it out of direct sunlight so the dyes don't fade, and enjoy as it gets even more beautiful with use. No matter which direction you go, be assured we only sell premium upholstery grade leathers that are meant to last.